and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com, and the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Okay, so today is Friday, the 28th of October. A lot of stuff's been going on in the market, and you're getting some very bad information, and we're going to fix that this morning. You always have in your mind, what is the market going to do? I'm going to answer that in a minute, but first let me have you do me a favor. During this presentation, please hit subscribe, like, and share. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, and don't forget, too, anytime you can join my gang free for 10 days. That's right, for 10 days. All right. So we had some information yesterday. Remember, China suppresses their yuan, let's say their dollar. Why? Because they want to outpace us in exporting goods. We're always in competition. Can we export more than China? Can they export more than us? So what they do is they hoard dollars, U.S. dollars. And when they have a strong dollar, that pushes their yuan down so they can sell their goods over the world. Everybody wants them because they're cheap. We can't because the dollar's so strong because they hoard dollars. They got 1.8 trillion. Well, yesterday they announced they had to sell the dollars. Why? Well, because China is in deep trouble. And if you remember, on January 16, 2018, I made an announcement on my radio show. I said that in 2018, the market's going to start crashing. And it's going to be China that's going to take us down, and it's going to be the big tech stocks that's going to take us down. So far, I've been right about the tech stocks. I'm also going to be right about China. So what's going on with China right now, the middle class is getting screwed in China because just like us, when our dollar doesn't have a lot of purchasing power, we hurt. In China, they're really getting hurt. Their whole real estate industry is falling apart. The middle class over there, their purchasing power is terrible because their dollar, their yuan is really weak. So they decided to start selling, start selling their dollars. And that means that when they sell their dollars, and the dollar's now going to get weaker because they're not hoarding it, dollar's going down, that's a big advantage for us, because that means metals, especially gold, will start going up. So we got our members all set, ready to go. We're going to tell them exactly when to buy the gold as long as we are continuing to see the dollar weaken after they're having to sell it, okay? So again, you can follow us if you want. Just go to my site, philsgang.com, and join. It's free for 10 days, and you also can follow us. All right, so right here, this is, if you look on the chart, this is where the gold broke its support the other day right here. See it right there? Broke it. Okay, but now this could be basing. So we're going to see if this starts basing and see if gold starts moving back up. So we're going to watch that for our members, all right? As far as the market, I'm telling you, you want to know what's going on with the market? It's going to continue to do what it's been doing, rallying and fail, rallying and fail. This was the last rally they had with the second quarter earnings. Now we're in our third quarter earnings. They're going to rally it again. But the same thing, they can't sustain these rallies because we haven't capitulated yet. We have no QE anymore. Remember, this rally right here was all QE. This rally was all QE after both these crashes, 2018 crash, 2020 crash. QE is what saved them. No more QE. We don't have QE, and we don't have capitulation. There's no fear in the market because people think that the Fed's going to save everybody. So the market only has one place to go, is down. But please understand, when you're stuck in these downtrend channels like this, you're really screwed, okay? Because there's no way can you get out of these easily, all right? Okay, last thing, and then I'll let you go. I'm going to just get rid of this here. Get rid of this. Okay, get rid of this. When you join my gang for 10 days free, you're going to get these tools. This is your Pro 1, and this is your Pro 2. It's a color-coded chart. Tells you when to sell short, when to buy. It's a color-coded. You can't miss. These three charts are the easiest charts to follow. Tell you when to buy, when to sell, and when to add. This chart tells you when to add to your position and when not to add to your position. Charting, there's so many charting services drive you crazy, and the charts are too complicated. We simplified it so it's an easy buy and sell color code. So when you join for 10 days, you also will have an opportunity to check out these charts and work with us for those 10 days using these charts, okay? So check it out. Go to philsgang.com and click on where it says Get Started, okay, the Working Investor Group. All right, so that's what the market's going to do, rally and keep losing these rallies because there's no QE, no capitulation, and there's just no new money coming in. I'll see you on the charts.